Hi guys, I am Imtiaz Khan from Next Generation YouTube channel. When you applied for a job and called for an interview, there are various questions that asked. The better prepared you are, the more successful your interview would be. And you may have come across various videos online as well as offline. So today I am going to talk about 15 most common interview questions with best answers, so you could prepare for an interview in better way. So let's begin without wasting much time. Before getting into this video, I would like to ask you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get notified on every single video. Tell me about yourself. This question seems simple, so many people fail to prepare for it. But it is crucial. Here is the deal. Don't give your complete employment or personal history. Instead, give a pitch, one that's concise and compelling and that shows exactly why you are the right fit for the job. Talk a little bit about your current role, including the scope and perhaps one big accomplishment. Then give some background as to how you got there and experience you had that's relevant. Finally, segue into why you want and would be perfect for this role. Second one, how did you hear about this position? Another seemingly interview question. This is actually a perfect opportunity to stand out and show your passion for and connection to the company. For example, if you found out about the gig through a friend or professional contact, name drop that person. Then share why you were so excited about it. If you discovered the company through an event or article, share that. Even if you found the listening through a random job board, share what specifically caught your eye about the role. Third one, why do you want to work at this company? Beware of generic answers. If what you say can apply to a whole slew of other companies, or if your response makes you sound like every other candidate, you are missing an opportunity to stand out. Share what's gotten you excited from your interactions with employees so far. Whichever route you choose, make sure to be specific. And if you can't figure out why would you want to work at the company you are interviewing with by the time you are well into the hiring process, it might be a red flag telling you that this position is not the right fit for you. Fourth one, why do you want this job? Again, companies want to hire people who are passionate about the job, so you should have a great answer about why you want the position. And if you don't, you probably should apply elsewhere. First, identify a couple of key factors that make the role a great fit for you. Example, I love the constant human interaction and the satisfaction that comes from helping someone solve a problem. Then share why you love the company. Example, I have always been passionate about education and I think you are doing great things, so I want to be a part of it. Fifth one, why should we hire you? This interview question seems forward, not to mention intimidating, but if you are asked it, you are in luck. There is no better setup for you to sell yourself and your skills to the hiring manager. Your job here is to craft an answer that covers three things: that you cannot only do the work but also deliver great results, that you will really fit in with the team and culture, and that would be a better hire than any of the other candidates. Sixth one, what are your greatest strengths? Here is the opening to talk about something that makes you great and a great fit for this role. When you are answering this question, think quality, not quantity. In other words, don't rattle off a list of adjectives. Instead, pick one or a few depending on the question, specific qualities that are relevant to this position, and illustrate them with examples. Stories are always more memorable than generalizations, and if there is something you are hoping to mention because it makes you a great candidate but you haven't had a chance yet, this would be perfect time. Seventh one, what do you consider to be your weakness? What your interviewer is really trying to do with this question, beyond identifying any major red flags, is to gauge your self-awareness and honesty. So I can't meet a deadline to save my life is not an option, but neither is nothing. I am perfect. Strike a balance by thinking of something that you struggle with but that you are working to improve. For example, maybe you have never been strong at public speaking, but you have recently volunteered to run meetings to help you get more comfortable when addressing a crowd. Eighth one, where do you see yourself in few years? Candidates should show that they have thought about this question. have plans and that those plans align with the job and a career path that is possible at the company. You want to see this candidate is good long-term investment. Generally, interview questions like this are still valuable and should always be included in your interview sheet. Ninth one, why do you want to leave your current company? And this is most hiring managers' top 10 interview questions and is also one of the standard interview questions in any solid interview process. The candidate should focus on the positives about why the job they are applying for offers them better learning or career opportunities. Chances of advancement aligns more closely with their long-term goals or is a better fit for them. 10th one, tell me about a time you had to relay bad news to a client or colleague. A good answer includes the strategy they developed for delivering the bad news and shows the candidate can assess the results and has ideas for improving in future. 11th one, what do you know about our company? Look for an answer that shows they have really done their homework and know what the company does, and they are aware of any important current events that involve the company and the work culture. 12th one, what is your desired salary? This is one of the best job interview questions for screening. Look for a number of range that falls within the market rate and matches their level of mastery of skills required to do the job. Be aware that in some cities and states it is illegal to ask this question. 13th one, what is the most difficult problem you have had to solve? Look for answers that name a real problem. Talk about specific steps taken to resolve it and any process developed to ensure that it would be solved more quickly next time or would not arise again. 14th one, what would you do if you are assigned to work with a difficult client? A good answer should talk about a specific strategy for handling a tough client without becoming negative. And last one, how many other jobs are you applying for? This is one of the standard interview questions used in stress interviews. The candidate should be able to stay calm, not get irritated that they are being put on the spot and answer the question honestly. So that's it guys. If you find this video useful for you, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.